What's up? It's your girl, Miss Cassie, coming at you today with a review from the Stahls Transfer Express. We are reviewing their heat transfers. They sent over a couple of samples. Let's get into it. That particular heat transfer, that did not 100% transfer over. Overall the color did show up on the shirt very good, and majority of it did show, but we want 100% accuracy, so we're going to go on and go to the next one. Wow, those last three heat transfers, wow, they went on perfectly. They feel so smooth, and I really love the way number 3 came out. Like, it's the picture, this video does not give it any justice. All right, we're gonna go on to the next one. So here I am just reviewing these next 3 heat transfer instructions, and they're all the same time and temperature. And we're going to go ahead and get started, and we're going to press those down at 365 for 5 seconds, and we're done. And let's check out the results, see what happens. Is with that one right there, it did not transfer at 100%. So we're going to go back over it, we're going to put the Teflon down, and we're going to press one more time to see if the print is going to transfer over. If you're new to your heat press, getting some samples would really help you maneuver your heat press. And as we're looking here, that second press did not transfer over. So please be mindful when you're getting small print on your heat transfers, because you will have probably situations like that where it doesn't transfer correctly. The number 3, the number 1, and all those others went over perfectly.